Hey guys, this is the introduction to R. To get into R system, all you have to do from a Windows system, go to R icon, double click it, or you could do something else like go to start menu, all programs, R folder, then R. Now, now these fonts look a bit small to you maybe. Okay, I'll change the GUI preference, set it to 20 size with border maybe. Yeah, that should be it. Oh, lots of things. To get rid of the things in the screen, in R, press Ctrl L. Yeah, that does the magic. Now we are trying to get introduction for R. What do we do in R? At first, we do the calculation in statistics. To do any analysis, first we have to create the vectors. We start by creating simple vectors. Okay, how do we create vectors in R? Say I put x, notice that it's small x, not capital X, equals, concatenate c, small c obviously, bracket starts, let the vector be 1 2 3 4 5, comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and that's it. Now we can see what is in X. Print X. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say we want to create vector but in another way. Say the way is like x1 c 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, let's see what is in x1. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. So there are many ways to create the vectors, and this is simply the two ways. One way was using the equality, and another way is using the sign like this. Oops. So the other ways could be like this. Say x2 is 1 is to 5. So what is x2? 1 2 3 4 5. Or we could use the sequence x3 equals sequence that starts from 1 ends at 5 with equal intervals 1. So x3 is 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, now we create a new vector, say y, it is 6 to 10. Yeah, remember our x was 1 2 3 4 5, our y is 6 to 10. So if I want to create some new vector called z, which is like the combination of x and y, so this is it. We can do basic arithmetics using the vectors. The basic arithmetic is like this, like if x is 1 2 3 4 5, then x plus 1 should be 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see whether it is like this or not, and this is like this. So similarly, x star 2, that means x is multiplied by 2 or divided by 2. Yeah, we could go up without typing it all over again and just edit the part where we want to edit. This can save our time. Yeah. Going in the up button, yeah, it gives us the history of R. Yeah, now let's say we want to see the vector arithmetics like x and y, whether it works or not. Yeah, it works perfectly because the length of x and length of y are similar. That's why it works perfectly. To check the lengths, of x. Yeah, it's 5. Go up, length of y. Yeah, it's also 5. That's why it works. And we can do similar arithmetic like this: x minus y, x into y, x divided by y, and so on. This is how we work with R using vectors, and for the vectors we can use the normal arithmetics, or we can use the vector and scalar arithmetics as we have done previously, like x plus 5, this is vector plus scalar. And if we do x minus y, where x is vector, y is vector, this is vector arithmetic. Yeah, once we are done with the arithmetic, we could use some complex functions, like not plus minus into divide, but more complex like that. Like, what about log? Say I want to find the logarithm of x. Yeah, this is like this, but what sort of logarithm is it? I'm not sure. So I want to check whether this is the logarithm for 10 base or natural. Okay, to look into the help file, type question mark log. If you know the command, in this case we know the command log. Yeah, log computes logarithm by default, natural logarithm. So yeah, this is the natural logarithm. So this is how we work in R. There are several other functions like square, sqrt, square root of x, which is like this, and we can find the exponential of x. Yeah, this is like this. So we came to know about the R and its basic arithmetic, how to create vectors, how to look into the help file. So this is the part 1 of R introduction. Yeah, let's hope that we can make it to introduction part 2 as well. See you guys.